Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, grows up into my understanding and do not withhold my words and do not confront my words. Live into my words and put some efforts in reading into it. Meditate into my words daily because my words is life and my words is your weapon to fight back against your adversaries. I will rekindle the fire of my Holy Spirit in you. I will make you more awake in this hour. My words is your sword, and I want you to draw out your sword and fight. Be vigilant and be hopeful in me. Trust in me at all times and let go of the things that makes you drain. Fight spiritually. Don't reverse in fighting. Fight in the scene. Run ahead and fight in faith.